Hello YouTube. Like I said, this is going to be part 2 to the gas mileage on my car. Ugh. That's my trip. I put on 265 miles on the car, and I barely hit half a tank. And so I went and I put the numbers together, and the car made 27.17 miles per gallon. Now take this in consideration. This is a cammed 5.4 liter V8, not the 4.9, not the 4.6. So this is not bad. Too bad the gearing is going to go. It got 273s and it's going to be 355s. My next mod, and we'll do this again and see how the gas mileage goes. It should dip down considerably, but like I said, 27.17 cammed. It can pull that gas mileage like that. I am actually surprised. Oh well. Till next video, I'll see you.